passionate fire. I love your arms when the warm white flesh touches mine in a fond embrace. I love your hair when the strands enmesh, your kisses against my face. Not for me the cold, calm kiss of a virgin's bloodless love. Not for me the saint's white bliss, nor the heart of a spotless dove. But give me the love that so freely gives and laughs at the whole world's blame. With your body so young and warm in my arms, it sets my poor heart aflame. So kiss me sweet with your warm wet mouth, still flagrant with ruby wine, and say with the fervor born of the South that your body and soul are mine. Clasp me close in your warm young arms while the pale stars shine above, and we'll live our whole young lives away in the joys of a